Yeah, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Fidelity 529 college savings plan. Alright, if you've been wondering how to set up a Fidelity 529 college saving plan, then this video is for you. It's going to be a really quick one. I'm just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Fidelity account. You can do so online on the website, or you can do that on the mobile app on your mobile device. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on college planning, and then you want to select 529 plans, and then you're going to initiate the 529 plan setup process. And here you can provide the required information. Of course, that's going to be the beneficiary details and such. And once that's done, you just want to choose the 529 plan options and then confirm the selection. Now you can monitor your 529 plan activity since you have it all set up. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Fidelity 529 college savings plan. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next